We're outside of a resto. Ano pangalan ng resto na to?
No Haiwan.
No Haiwan. Ito may aso pa nga sa labas, oh. At dahil mga guest niya, ito yung pwesto. Kung sa atin parang karinderian nila, no? This one. At we're in a long trip kasi. So kung pupunta pa kami ng city center, an hour, no? So gutom na kami. So almost 1 o'clock kaya kumain na kami dito. Okay naman so far, no? This road is going back to the city of Hualien. We're along coastal road, no? Na biyahe from Hualien to the city of Taitung. Going there, no? Taitung. So we'll be circumnavigating, no? Traveling around the island of Taiwan. So this side, no, yung left side na to, this is yung coastal area, na yung dagat na side yung kanina, yung nag-lunch kami. So kita mo dito this mga buildings, and you observe also even in these mga areas you have a lot of mga Christian churches, no? Ito sa harap natin, I think this is a Christian church. See this I think this side of the island daming mga Christian missionaries na dumating before. In fact, there's an area doon sa going Hualien na you see mga siguro 1,000 na mga libingan, tombs, Christian. So this one, yung kanan natin is this Toyota Yaris na crossover. So far, this is almost brand new na binigay sa amin, 2,000 mileage only. Dito pa dami yung mileage, no? Kung kami yung magdala. So as we mentioned, so far maganda naman yung performance, fuel efficient. Most of the roads here in if not all roads here in Taiwan, they're flat, no? Or paved. Okay, so what's your quick review of yung kotse? The kotse?
Kotse?
Ito, this one, performance ng car so far.
It's very nice, very smooth.
Very smooth, no? Okay.
Very comfortable also.
Very comfortable, no?
Can I remove my shoes?
Nagmaneho, sakay, passenger, so just enough, no? For us, pagkatapos naka hand carry luggage lang kami, no? Sometimes yung mga gamit na binibili namin along the way, including yung mga damit.
Perfect excuse to shop.
Okay, so we'll be taking off to the city of Taitung, no? Now.